Crafted with aerospace-grade riveting technology, this European-style refrigerated truck from Shandong CIMC redefines cold chain transportation. The aircraft-inspired construction delivers dual advantages: superior structural integrity and striking aesthetics. Our innovative Rivet Plus seamless integration minimizes cold leakage while enhancing deformation resistance. The aerodynamic arc edge design reduces wind drag, achieving 3-6 fuel efficiency gains. Advanced material matrix. Exterior, high-strength pre-coated aluminum. Interior, food-grade thermoplastic panels. Insulation, open cell foaming technology Oak 35WMK. Engineering highlights: 1. Sheet plus post riveting system. 2. Full welded 35mm aluminum guide rails. 3. 300mm protective inner plates. 4. 6-panel rear door reinforcement. This structural synergy extends service life by 2+ years versus conventional models while maintaining optimal payload capacity. Cargo dimensions: L9450W to 4 to 6H2, 500mm. Maximized cubic space meets diverse logistics demands. Shandong CIMC 2025 refrigerated truck combines European craftsmanship with smart manufacturing, where aviation precision meets cold chain reliability.